The Honor Win is officially available as of January 1st, 2026 after being announced on December 26, 2025. One of my greatest worry is that I don't understand Honor's company way of doing business and their marketing strategy. Since they released two phones, the Honor Win and the Honor Win RT, which are almost similar in specs, in designs. Everything looks similar with a few differences which we will compare at the end of this video. But first, let us look at the Honor Win specs, which is more superior. It is a large and powerful smartphone weighing 229 grams with an 8.3 millimeters thickness, and it comes with rugged protection including IP68/IP69K certification, meaning it can handle dust, high pressure water jets, and even submersions up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Honor even added built-in cooling fan, which is something you normally see only on gaming phones. On the front, you get a massive 6.83-inch AMOLED display with 1 billion colors, a super smooth 185Hz refresh rate, and 5920Hz PWM dimming, which is great for eye comfort. The resolution sits at 1272 by 2800 pixel, giving you around 450 pixel per inch, and the peak brightness hits an incredible 6000 nits. The display is protected by scratch and drop resistant glass and supports Ultra HDR content. Powering the Honor Win is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset built on a 3nm processor. It features an octa-core CPU with 4.6 GHz high performance core and 3.62 GHz efficiency core, backed by the new Adreno 840 GPU. This phone runs on Android 16 with Magic OS 10 user interface and offers configuration ranging from 256GB with 12GB of RAM all the way up to 1TB with 16GB of RAM, all UFS 4.1 storage technology. For the camera, the Honor Win features a triple lens setup, a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom, also with an optical image stabilization, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens with autofocus. It supports 4K video recording at 60 frame rates per second and has 0 EIS for stabilization. The selfie camera is another impressive 50-megapixel shooter capable of 4K recording. The phone includes stereo speakers, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, dual frequency, GPS, and a ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. There's no headphone jack or radio, and the USB port is Type-C 2.0 with OTG support. Battery life is another standout feature thanks to a huge 10,000 silicon carbon lithium polymer battery. Charging is equally fast with 100 watts wired charging, 80 watts wireless charging. In this case, we find that this phone is one of the phones that has broke the record of the largest battery capacity. So there is no phone so far that have a battery capacity of 10,000 watts. Honor also released the Honor Win RT alongside Honor Win. These phones come with some powerful specs, but there's also something a bit unusual about how Honor decided to differentiate them. So in this video, we are also going to break everything down to see if either of these phones is truly worth your money. To begin with, both phones Honor Win and the Honor Win RT share the same powerhouse chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chipset built on Android 16 with Magic OS user interface. This means you are getting top tier performance on both devices. Whether you are gaming, multitasking, or editing videos, you should expect smooth and reliable performance. So when it comes to speed and power, there is absolutely no difference between the two models. Where things start to change is the camera setup. The Honor Win comes with a triple camera system featuring a 50 megapixel main lens, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. Meanwhile, the Honor Win LT includes only a dual camera setup with a 50 megapixel main lens and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and that's really the only major difference between these two phones. The Honor Win includes a telephoto lens while the Honor Win LT does not. Now, let's talk about the price. The Honor Win goes for around 480 euros, which is approximately $524. On the other hand, the Honor Win LT sells for around 305 euros, or about $356. That means there's a price difference of roughly $168. And the only real upgrade you are paying for is the telephoto lens. No better display, no extra RAM, no bigger battery, just an extra camera. And this raises a big question. Did Honor really do enough to differentiate these two phones? Honestly, I feel like Honor could have done better. Most smartphones brand create clear differences between their base and pro models. Things like improved display, faster charging, or larger storage options. But the Honor Win series, the difference is so minimal that it feels a little unbalanced. Paying an extra $168 just for a single telephoto lens may not make sense for most people. So, which one would you buy? Well, if you are someone who really values photography, especially zoom and portrait shot, then the Honor Win might be worth that extra cost. But for the average user, the Honor Win LT gives you almost the same experience for a much lower price, making it the most sensible choice overall. And that wraps up our quick comparison of the Honor Win and the Honor Win LT. What do you think about Honor strategy this time? Would you pay just off for a telephoto lens? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.